We don't think of the welding very often in our day-to-day life. When we think of welding, we don't realize how complex of a system it is. When you grow here in your car, you're relying on a qualified welder to make those welds. When you're in a steel building going up and down stairs, if we don't have qualified welders, our health and safety are affected by that. The need for welders is dramatic. We're dealing with an aging population. The average age of a welder in Oregon is 57, with 80% of the welders over 35. They're retiring faster than they're being replaced.
Just like my mom told me that her dad used to weld, and so I kind of just got more personal from there, I guess. And so I just really didn't have any idea, like anything with welding until the first day I came here. It's just fun to, get better every day, and you're just practicing making each weld better than your last, and it's just fun to see yourself getting better and doing well. I enjoy doing TIG and the pipe because there's not a lot of cleanup, and I just like how sometimes you can get some really nice colors and it looks cool.
The one thing that is amazing about welding is it's used in everything from making toasters through satellites. So it depends on what they want to do. It's not just a primary skill. You don't have to worry only about going into a manufacturing job or a construction job. It's also used in secondary fields such as the automotive industry, maritime, logging, in agricultural. It's used across the board as well as in art. We have a lot of students who take this program to learn how to weld for doing art projects. I had a student who took a few classes here. He had enough skill to get a job. He went into the community, was working, realized he wanted to develop his skills more. So he came back here, took more classes, and he came back to me and said that he's got something he never had before. Now he's got opportunities. He applied at 3 different locations, all 3 wanted to hire him. So it gives students the ability to choose a path for themselves.